Hi, today we're going to be taking on bus and review Transformers War for Cybertron Trilogy. Siege. So, Transformers Siege, War for Cybertron Trilogy. This is the Decepticon Skytread. Skytread. Yeah. I believe he was in, I want to say Headmasters, but I don't think it was Headmasters. I think it was Transformers Victory, I want to say. I don't know, it's from the Japanese series, so, yeah, it wasn't any that we actually got over here to see in America. So, yeah. But here's something that's kind of funny. Up here we see Takagi Tomy. And then down here, Hasbro. Wait a minute, what the F? Usually these two companies, when it comes to Transformers, they're at each other's throats. Especially Transformers and Beyblades. And yet, here's something odd. On Transformers, we see both of them working together, hand in hand. Takagi Tomy, Hasbro, Takagi Tomy, Hasbro. That's right, Takagi Tomy and Hasbro has said, you know what? You make Transformers, we make Transformers, both of us make Transformers. Let's make a Transformer together. I wish they could do that with Beyblades, but at least the Transformers is a start, I'll say. Now, is this going to be a good line or a bad line? And what I'm talking about there is the Combiner Wars. I personally never had any Transformers from the Combiner Wars, but people were saying that's a bad line. Time's Return was a wacky line, but I loved it. What was the next one? I believe it was Power of the Primes. That one was complete horrible. The figures were just disgusting. The way how they transform and stuff. The instructions were just unreadable. I mean, seriously, I bought my Dark Rodimus Prime figure. Because they're like, oh, you just take the head and you just turn it. So that's what it said in the instructions. Take the head and just turn it. So I did. Because, that's what the instructions said. What happened? I snapped the head in two. What you were supposed to do is somehow pull the head forward from the chest, then turn it around, then push it back in for the new head. Why couldn't they show you in the instructions a little push forward, then a little twisty, turny action, and then a push back for the new head?